back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this look here. It's a fall tutorial, and I'm not going to talk through it. I just did a voiceover, but this is the outcome, and I use like I want to say like 99% drugstore product. So yeah, it's very affordable, very cute. We want to make, you know, keep the skin glowing but dark at the same time, if you know what I mean, because you know the winter's dry, fall is dry, so gotta glow up the skin. So that's what I did. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It's just a fall tutorial. It's really quick, cute, and I miss doing these, so let me know how you like them. And before we get into it, I'm not gonna say subscribe, but yes, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and also like the video because it helps me out a lot. So before we get into the tutorial, I actually wanted to talk about something that I'm a part of and I'm super excited about. So you guys know I'm from Texas. Well, no, I'm from Florida. I just moved to Texas. I lived in Texas for about a year, and growing up in Florida, I just saw how the rising sea levels affected our community and how climate change is progressively getting worse and how it needs action now. So I decided to partner up with ML41 Fort Lauderdale, which if you guys didn't know, that's actually where I'm from, Fort Lauderdale area. And what they're doing is they're benefiting Debris Free Oceans, which is a nonprofit organization. What Debris Free Oceans is doing is inspiring local communities to manage the life cycle of plastics and waste. So the way I partnered up with them is I actually decided that if you guys were to donate something as little as $1, you would automatically be entered into this raffle, and in the raffle you have the opportunity to win. I think there's a lot of different prizes, but one of them is actually getting like a FaceTime video where I can do a makeup tutorial with you over FaceTime, or if you have specific questions about makeup, you're new to it, or you have a special event coming up, you have the opportunity to win that. If you donate, again, as little as $1, you're automatically entered into that. And I've actually dedicated this whole makeup tutorial to this nonprofit. So if you guys are interested in that, feel free to check out all the links down below. I'll have all the information and how you can enter. And also the raffle, all the proceeds are going to this nonprofit. So don't think this is sponsored or anything. It's not. My friend literally just reached out to me, and it's a great organization. So I'm super excited to be a part of it. And yeah, that's all I wanted to say. And we'll just jump right into this fall makeup tutorial now. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is take this HA5. It's like a serum. It's from Skin Medica. It's really, really, really expensive, and I would never purchase it, but I work at the company, so I got it for free, like a little trial size, and my skin was so dry, so I decided to use it. Okay, so the next thing I'm grabbing is my vitamin C serum from Kiehl's. If you guys watch my old videos, I actually worked at Kiehl's, and it's their products are still a huge part of my skincare routine, and this serum is like $65, but it lasts a long time, especially because I don't use it that often. But yeah. And then last, I just go in with this moisturizer. It's pretty basic. It's the Ultra Facial Cream, and this one's also from Kiehl's, again, because I work there, and it gets the job done. It makes a good base for the makeup, so, but any moisturizer will do. So the next thing I'm taking is this NYX, it's not an eyeshadow primer, I was gonna call it an eyeshadow primer. It's the concealer, the Can't Stop, Won't Stop. I don't really like it for under my eyes, but it's perfect for a base. It creates like a really thick base, and it lays out your eyeshadow perfectly, so definitely recommend getting this. And then afterwards, I'm just going to take this matte white shade from the Matte from Matte eyeshadow palette by e.l.f. and just to set it. And then after that, I actually went in with a palette that is discontinued. It's by Morphe. It was like the 35C or something, and I still have it, and that orange was calling my name, so I used it. But you guys can pretty much use any really bright orange. So yeah, as you guys can see here, I'm just building my crease color with that orange up. I go over it. You guys know how to do makeup already. I just want to show you this look, but you guys know the drill on how to build color. So then after, I actually went in back to that e.l.f. Matte for Matte palette, and I took the bright orange from that one. It's a little bit darker than my crease color, and I just put that on my outer crease just to create a deeper dimension into my eyes. And yeah. Okay, so this is where the fun begins. So I took the purple and brown shade from the e.l.f. Matte for Matte eyeshadow palette. It's basically all the shades I'm using are from that palette, and I'm mixing it together to create this really deep plum but brown shade with like brown undertones, and I just put that right onto my lid, and I just built it up, blended, and then built it up more until it looked as dark as I wanted it to. Now I did my eyeliner and lashes off camera because I can't do it on camera, but you guys know that's like my signature look, my wing liner. And then I decided to use this primer, which I had and I had never used. It's the Wet n Wild matte primer, and even though it's matte, it still looked pretty like luminous and hydrating. And then this combination, guys, is amazing. I use the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop in ColourPop foundation, and it gave me the best, most beautiful coverage ever, and I would definitely recommend picking it up, especially for the fall and winter time. The coverage is amazing. I love it so much. So the next thing I'm doing for my OG subscribers, you guys already know my go-to is my LA Girl concealer. I've been using it for like 6 years now, I think, and it's still my favorite, but it's very thin, so I decided to go over it with the the L'Oreal Infallible concealer. That one is a lot thicker, and I just kind of mixed the two together, and it gives you the most flawless coverage in the under eye area. That's why I only put this one in my under eye. But yeah, I created the best consistency, so definitely recommend this. So again, going in with my LA Girl HD Concealer to cream contour, I'm taking the shade Toast, and I take that on the back of my hand first just to warm it up, and then I grab this brush from Real Techniques and just put it, obviously, just to contour or bronze up my face. So you'll see me do this with the brush first, and then I always go over it with my Beauty Blender just to make it more natural and blend into my foundation a little better. Okay, so a product I recently rediscovered is my Airspun Translucent Powder. You guys know I used to use this all the time, and I don't know why I stopped, but it's perfect for flash photography. I took some pictures with flash, and my makeup never looked better, so I would definitely say this is like my favorite translucent powder. I've tried them all, and nothing compares. And it's also not that drying, which I think is perfect for the fall time. You definitely don't want to wear stuff that's way too drying, makes you look dead. Okay, so another product that I've used before is the Chocolate Soleil by Too Faced. It's a really nice bronzer, and it smells amazing, so it's really nice. Moving on to blush, I'm just using my Sephora birthday gift that they gave me. It's the Tarte blush. It's the Amazonian clay blush in the shade Party. Now this is a oldie but goodie too. This is the Benefit What's Up highlighter. I used to use this all the time. I actually use this as a base for my like actual highlighter, and it makes me glow like crazy, but it doesn't make me look streaky or anything. It's very seamless. Now for the best part, I went in with my ABH Glow Kit, and I had no idea that they discontinued like 90% of their glow kits. It really sucks because they are all so good, and this is definitely one of my favorites. But yeah, I just went in with this one because I found it. And then lastly, I just set my face with the Morphe setting spray. So for lips, I just use my ColourPop R&B liquid lipstick, and that's pretty much the whole look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed, and leave comments, give me a like, and I'll catch you guys next time.